잠시만요.
그냥 하시면 돼요.
아 근데 이거 그 ladies and gentlemen 해야 돼요.
뭐 아무거나 해주세요. 안 해도 되고.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my speech. My name is Im Ho-jin, and I'm from Mokdong Middle School. According to World Population Review's research on 2023 of crime rates, Korea was ranked 116th. And this means that Korea is the 116th safest country in the world. Like this, Korea is getting more and more secure. Based on Korea Prosecutor's Office, Korea's crime rate decreased 21% recently in 10 years. However, this culture can be forgotten throughout many generations. Even for now, we can see lots of cases of school violence, despice, and many incidents that ignore the human appreciation, which is why I believe that this society needs a change. I believe that following the law and order is most important, and I suggest 3 ways of following law and order. First and foremost, I believe that we should publicize the law by adding subjects about law and order in the school curriculum. Knowing about laws is very important. If you're not familiar with the law, it is more likely for you to infringe the law or to be the victim of law and misuse, law abuse. For example, a person who knows the law will be more likely to stay calm and report to the police or an investigation agency after a crime. Yet the specific subject about law comes first in high school. I believe that we should add subjects about law and order in middle school or elementary school, so the law can be well known to young children. By this, they could know how to properly use the law, leading to following law and order. Moreover, I believe that publishing books about law and order could be a way of following law and order. Books can contain various situations about laws in society and our life. It could also involve how to solve a conflict or problem with law. With books, children could easily picture situations about when we have to follow them. Follow law and order. For children, books can be the best way to get law and order closer to them. Books have better power of transmission than getting taught about it by parents. If we just learn about it, it could be hard for children to apply it into several situations. However, if we publish books about laws with many situations included, not only children but even adults will understand easily and follow the law and order. Finally, I suggest making a website where people could easily ask questions about laws freely and could even contract a lawyer. Now in digital society, it is easier for young generations to use the internet than reading books or using dictionaries. The website will have positive effect on following law and order because it is hard to know about laws now even with the internet. And even if we get information, we might not understand it. Nonetheless, if we use a website where we could ask questions about laws, the public will easily get familiar with the law, leading to following law and order. Recently, Korea's crime rates have decreased. This means the society is getting more improved. However, if we want to keep this culture for many generations, I believe that following the law and order is the most important way. And I just suggest adding subjects about law and creating books about it and creating a website where people can know about laws and hire a professional lawyer. Thank you for listening.